Google recently rebranded Google Bard to Google Gemini. And inside Google Gemini, there are multiple different features. One of the feature is YouTube Vision. Google Bard also earlier had this feature. However, it is now improved with Google Gemini, and using this particular feature, you will be able to analyze any of the YouTube video step by step, scene by scene. Earlier also, this particular feature was there in ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, we used to inquire that give me a summary of an YouTube video. What it used to do, it used to check transcript of that particular video from YouTube site, and using those text, it used to give you that output. But however, in this feature, there is a difference. What it can do, it can check scene by scene, frame by frame, that what's happening in the video. So it's only not dependent on the text transcript. On top of that, it's also able to check the video content within that particular YouTube video. So let me show you in this video how can you use it. If you follow my mouse, I have just pasted one link here, that is gemini.google.com/app. I will add it in the description so that you can just click it from there, and we can start. So once I hit enter, it will log into my Gemini console. Now here you can see it's already logged in. For you, it may ask you to log in using one Google ID. So use your Google ID and then you will be landing in this normal page of Gemini. So currently I have a paid plan, that's why I am getting these two options. If you just started using it and you don't have a paid plan, then you will be only able to see this option Gemini, but that doesn't matter. So once you are in the console, then go to settings. There you will be able to find one option, extensions. What you need to ensure, there are 5 extensions and YouTube extension is turned on. So what it will do, it will use your account and it will access YouTube and it will analyze those videos. So let me show you a few of the examples what I'm talking about and how this thing works. So you need to ensure that this particular toggle bar is turned on, and then you can come to a new chat. Now I have copied one prompt already and let me paste it here. Show me top 5 YouTube videos on productivity tips. So this is a simple one. I'm not using the extension yet. So once I hit enter, so it will show me 5 options of different productivity videos, and it will fetch from YouTube. You can see it automatically fetching from that YouTube extension. That's why you can see both icons are working in tandem. And these are the 5 videos it is suggesting. Now those links are there. Another good feature is there. You can see those videos on your console itself, so that you can just click on here and you will be able to watch it. So I can see these 5 videos, but let me check some more details about this video where Ali talked about 5 essential tips for the long-lasting productivity. So I copied another prompt here. Can you give me a short summary, key point, top takeaways, list and to-do from the 4th video? Let me try it here because this is the 4th video, and let's see how it comes up. Again, you can see that it started working and it will automatically invoke that YouTube extension, and it's now checking in the YouTube using that particular video. It ran into a problem. I just clicked on this other drafts. In the first one, it gave an error. It's not usual. Earlier, I have not faced this particular error. However, it gave this time. But in draft 2, you can see it's showing those details. Query successful. Sure, this is a summary of the video by Ali Abdal, and it already gave all those bullet points, everything. So this thing worked. So in case you are running into a problem, you can check the other drafts. You can see in the 3rd option also it was not successful. However, in the 2nd draft, this is there. So this is good, at least we got something. Now till this stage, earlier using ChatGPT or other LLM models, it was possible because using the transcript of the video, this kind of a response can be generated. Now, let me ask one question. Can you describe the overall tone or style of the video, such as informative, entertaining, or persuasive? So now these are the things which cannot be determined by the text completely, right? And let me ask this question and let me see how it responds. You can see that again it invoked that particular extension. I never mentioned to invoke the extension. There is one way you can specifically mention which extension to use. I'll show you that one also. You can see the overall tone of the style of the video is informative and engaging. The video is concise and to the point, but it also manages to be engaging and interesting to watch. Ali Abdal, the speaker, is personable and enthusiastic, and he does a good job of connecting with the viewers. So these responses cannot be generated from a YouTube transcript. So this is something new and this is called YouTube Vision, and this is available inside only Google Gemini and not in any other app, considering YouTube is Google product and they have full access to all resources possible. So this is working out very well. Just to understand one caveat here, if you see that it's mentioned here, YouTube video views will be stored in your YouTube history. So whenever Google Gemini is accessing YouTube based on your prompt, you will be able to see in your YouTube watch history that video was watched, because it's utilizing your account to access YouTube. So that's the way it is. And once you are allowing that particular extension, so that's the access you are giving. But I don't think nothing much to worry there, considering this Google product, and anyways we are exposing our data whenever we are using Gmail, right? So take your own call here based on your privacy requirement. So this is the feature. I hope you like this particular option. Let me know in the comments if you are using any other tools to get insight from any of the YouTube video. That will be really helpful for all of us. I recorded another video where how can you create your own AI avatar from your image. Check out this video. Hope you will like it.